Everybody, welcome to another video. We start this one off with doing a bit of mind reading again. The good old British cyclist. We know that most of them, and I do mean most of them, are not very good at stopping at red lights. But where is this one going? Now obviously you would think it was going straight on because it's not signalling anywhere. But that doesn't stop them, does it? It's going left. And yes, it didn't make any difference to me whatsoever because I would not have overtaken it whether it was going straight on or turning left. That's not the issue here, is it? That's not the point. Now in this clip I'm going to be turning right. I've got my own lane, my own right turn only lane. It's not just mine, it's for everybody. You get what I mean. But we're looking at this white car and we're also looking at the white van up there in front. Now the right turn is beyond that van. But look how this white car handles it. I just want to get in this lane and let this guy out. I hope you're going straight on because there is no right turn. Now it's a bit of a quick one, this one. That car up there, why is it struggling so much to stay in its lane going round that bend? Weird. But then when you get closer, it might help if you defrosted your windscreen. You might be able to see the lines and the curb for that matter. Well, me and this other car, we don't struggle getting round there. There's plenty of room. Bit weird why some people find that so difficult. Now I've often talked about manners or bad manners, not the group, on the road, and this is one. This guy's turning right. I give him a little signal. Nice little signal back, yeah? And what a place to have a mother's meeting for these three blind mice over there. Really, on the bend they're going to have a little chit chat there. Even when they're not even riding, they're getting in the bloody way. Now obviously I'm speeding it up a little bit here till we get to the next two people that are getting in the way. I don't understand why people don't like using pavements. People keep saying, yeah, they're leafy and slippery. Are they that leafy and slippery on this pavement here? Or would you prefer to walk in the road like these two are? And they walked in the road all the way down the road as well. I'm not going to show it from the rear camera because it's just a bit boring. They're just walking in the road, getting in the way. Now in this clip, I think I found a solution for stopping you getting speeding tickets from fixed cameras. Yeah, you know the ones that are popping up all over the shop. This car in front with the bikes on the back. Now, can that be legal? I don't think so. It's great that I can see its brake lights, its indicators and everything, but you cannot see that number plate. And that could be a way of getting out of speeding tickets. I should have contacted Halfords before doing this video. We could have worked out some sort of deal. I want a piece of the action because obviously after watching this video, people are just going to go out and buy these brackets for the back of their cars and some couple of bikes and then no speeding tickets. But remember, some cameras work from the front as well and that one's not covered up. But on a serious matter, that cannot be legal what he's doing there. Can it? Let us know in the comments down below. Now I'm driving down this little high street here. It is two lanes here. And this car to my left hand side is driving very slow and I'm a bit reluctant to actually overtake it just in case he wants to pull out to the right and turn right further up here. So I'm hanging back and then I see this car to the right hand side that looks like it's going to be pulling out on me. You can't see it yet, but in real time I could see it. My eyes are better than the dash cam, believe it or not, still. But it's this car here. It looks like it's going to be pulling out on me. So I'm a bit wary of it, but I shouldn't have been because it's parked. Who fucking parks like that? Who fucking parks like that? Oh yeah, an Audi parks like that. For fuck's sake, they are just shit, aren't they? They're everything. Now again, we talk about manners here. They're showing good manners, but stupidity beyond belief. It's unbelievable the stupidity of some people. We're looking at the second car here, the Mini. It does say thank you, but look what's in her hand. Yep, her mobile phone. Should that be in her hand at all? showed me her phone in her hand. Waves at me with her phone in the hand. Now, talking about stupidity beyond belief, we're on the good old M25 again. Yes, and on the A3 turnoff yet again. And here are some stupid people. Again. And not only are they stupid, they are damn right dangerous, as I keep saying about these clips where they do this. As you can see, it's a 50 mph speed limit here, and it's flowing pretty well for here, so it makes it even more dangerous. So they've put in everybody in the danger zone, these idiots. Everybody left of them, right of them, behind them, they're all in the danger area because of their stupidity. Or is it just the fact that they are just queue jumpers? I just put it down to stupidity myself. This white one here, I mean, look how long it takes him to actually get into the lane. A pile-up is just so easily done on a motorway. And as you can see, the people behind him now have all got to wait. Some of them are trying to get out into the middle lane, which puts that in danger as well. All because one person will not follow the rules. We've skipped it forward just a little bit now, and I'm pretty sure you've seen this clip before. Same day, same time, everything else. And I'm pretty sure you've seen this one before. I don't know why I didn't do the whole thing before. I don't know. I've got my clips all muddled up again. But this one really does take the biscuit. He leaves it so late that he goes over the solid lines. And I don't know why this car in front is going from side to side, side to side. Here he comes, the van. Premiership Paving. Remember the name. Yeah, Premiership Paving, but non-league driving. How bad is that? And people will say you should report these ones to the police. Well, sometimes I do. And you know what? The police don't get back to you. They send it. It's a bog standard reply that goes with everything that you send them, saying that we'll get back to you in 6 weeks if we are going to prosecute or I'm needed in court. And I never hear back from them. Never hear back from them at all. So why bother? We're on the good old M25 still, on a different day, going the opposite direction. The same thing's going to apply again. You can see the signs though, you can see what's going to happen. When I say signs, I don't mean road signs. The slip road is busy, you can see that, and you can see lane 1 is slowing up with people braking, looking for gaps, instead of getting into the slip road way back. They're looking now, look at all these guys to the left hand side, they're all looking to do it. They would not be in that lane otherwise. Now what we're looking at is this lorry to the left hand side. It has to take action because there's a car in front of it, and I'm ashamed to say it's a bloody Kia. And the woman actually thought it was funny. Laughing, actually laughing she was. She was actually laughing. Thought it was funny. Now this clip is like one of them safety videos. Can you spot the danger before it happens? To be honest, I could see this happening. Now freezed it here. Can you see what's going to happen? Well, we got an idiot here, an impatient idiot, and we got someone there that's turning right, and the bus is turning left. So what's going to happen? Yeah, the idiot tries to overtake it. It should never be there. That's why you never go around something like that. Just let them turn. Stupid fucking idiot. In this clip we come to an Audi clip. Yep, I've missed you guys. Now up there in front there is a keep clear sign on the floor there. The Audi stopped well before it, which is very unusual, and what is even more unusual is that he can actually clear the keep clear sign. So why he's waiting there I do not know, but I'm going to be let out by an Audi when he doesn't have to let me out. Oh, I'm not. He was only distracted by using his phone, as you can just about see it in his hand there. What are you waiting for, you fucker? Let's do that. That's just Audi, innit? Just Audi-ish. Waiting there until it sees me, then pulls up and stops me. Now in this clip, we're on the Epsom Downs. There's a golf course here. We're driving right through the middle of it, basically. It's either side of us. And up there to the left-hand side, they're about to tee off. Just under the sign there. Now, you'll see this guy give it an almighty whack. And the guy in blue's reaction, where he holds his head, actually made me want to duck. I squinted and thought, that where the bloody hell's that ball gone? It went nowhere near me, but the reaction, I was watching him all the way. So tell me you went through a red light without telling me you went through a red light. I reckon you went for a red there, mate. You remember the good old days when you got in your car at night or your van and the dashboard would be dark, no matter what, until you turned your lights on. You couldn't see your speedo or anything. Like this van in front of me. I've already flashed it and it hasn't obviously seen me flash, but no one in front, no one coming towards him is actually flashing him to let him know that he's got no lights on. I guess they're all too busy looking at their mobile phones maybe. But it's raining, it's dark, and no one can actually see this guy with no lights on and give him a little flash to let him know. So why did they change that on modern vehicles where the inside your car is always lit up like a Christmas tree at night when you haven't got your lights on? And I know most cars now have got these lights that are on daytime and nighttime, but they're not your proper headlights though. So, answers on a postcard if you know the answer to that one, why they did change that. Prefer the old way, to be honest. At least it's like a safety mechanism. As you can see there, his front lights are definitely not on. Yeah, it's like a safety mechanism of knowing that your lights are not on. And just down the road from there, I turn into this estate and we do ride on the right hand side, don't we? Well, cyclists do. We do drive and ride on the other side of the road. Anyway guys, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.